The most stupid thing to do is what I actually did. You guys, I tried to make my hair by myself, and here is how it turned out to be. So I said that okay, well, let me record the process of me making my hair for the first time, because usually I actually make the hair myself. I started with losing my hair, because I usually make crochets because it's really easy to make and easy to lose. But this particular one was very difficult. The surprising thing is that I don't even like making hair, and I don't like losing hair at the same time. So losing hair is really a problem for me. That's why I don't like making my hair. But crochets makes it easier. But then I'll still need someone to help me lose this hair. Finally, my sibling decided to assist me in the losing of my hair. It's easy for me to make someone else's hair, but to lose the hair, I can't. I'm not really a fan of losing hair. Finally, we're done with losing the hair, and I was like, okay, you know what? That's the first step. And let's move on to the next step. The next step was actually to lose the weaving. Okay, guess what? I actually made that weaving myself. So it's time for me to lose it. I started losing it. Pretty much tired. But thankfully, I was able to finish losing the hair. This took me about 2 hours. To do the first losing was about 30 to 45 minutes, and the second one took my time. So after losing the hair, I said, okay, let me comb it. Then I went straight and I washed my hair. After washing the hair, you can see that the hair actually shrink, like it went down, even though my hair is not really something I'm always proud of. So yeah, so I said, okay, let me start the making of the hair. There was actually a style I saw online that I wanted to replicate, like, you know, when somebody makes braids, I call it braids, one with your hair, you get that kind of thing. And it was really nice and bouncy. When I saw it on someone else's hair, I said, okay, let me even try it on my own hair. And usually what I hate in my life is making hair that is tiny. And this time I really took out my time. I started making this hair little by little. Like I cut it tiny, like I'm not even joking here. I was determined. Let's see how this in my mind. I was really picturing a very beautiful hair that will come out of this. Hey, Jesus Christ. After I finished wasting so much time, twisting, it was so hectic. In short, I got tired of twisting at some point. I was really tired. But I couldn't stop. I had to finish what I had already started. So I continued. Even in my pain, my arms were aching badly. But then I had to finish. And the surprising thing was that when I finished the hair with hopes, I had not really seen, I thought maybe because I've not arranged the hair well. That's why I was looking this shabby. I was expecting something so grand and so beautiful that in short, hey, everybody's been like, wow, this girl, she's making her hair, it's looking so beautiful and all that. When I finally finished the hair, I was happy that I was able to twist my hair all by myself. When I finished the hair, it was not that great. Here's the outcome of what it looks like. Please, from the bottom of your heart, look at this hair. Is it fine? Hey, I wanted to cry. Look at my hair. I've been chopped. Jesus Christ. Like, I need serious solutions for this hair, but I actually had something. But look at the hair. We like all this hair fine now. I tried to make it look fine, but this was the outcome of the hair. But now for the hair that you saw in the beginning of the video, how did I do that one? Actually, God sent somebody to me. Yes, so God sent somebody to me. So I went back to the lodge because I'm currently doing my NYC. I went back to the lodge, and one of my roommates, Annabelle, helped me out with making my hair because I wanted to fix crochet, and she said she had a very beautiful idea, and then she did this particular one for me. It was really nice. Take a look at how it looks like.
Oh yeah, so see this girl that actually made this hair.
That's not me.
Oh, the brain behind the hair, and also I'm the brain behind our own hair. Oh yes, we did it together. Yes.
Behind your back.
Can't you see how the still looking so cute and fine? Even my own still looking fine. So we both did each other's hair. Looking so fine with 28 others on YouTube. Sorry. 28. Help me tell them to stop shouting my name, because now they're using me as excuse for coming late. Like that's their own problem, not mine. Anyways.
Okay, let's go.
Like, yeah, Jerry, looks so fine.
That's supposed to be in that video as far.
Where is this? How is what? I'll fit you all of you like that. Oh my god, she won't. Oh, this is Ife, yes, also my namesake. Shall Miss favor too. That's Sade going every time she's always running from the camera, but that's her problem. Oh my goodness, look at these two girls. They look so matching outfits, girls. Oh my god, who is this? Who's this beautiful girl? Oh my goodness, who's this? This is Nick, and this is Titi Taiwo, double T. Oh, many one more girl. Here comes this girl. Her name is Annabelle. Anna Coco. So nobody's having me to take my bag. That's very bad. Don't worry.